Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City in front of Caesars Hotel and Casino, or maybe it's behind it. I'm never sure when there's a boardwalk on one side and a street on the other. I guess most people would consider this the back of the building. In any event, we're going inside. Lots of construction going on at Caesars. It's been going on pretty much all winter. Lots of new restaurants, new attractions. Hopefully they'll be done by the spring. I can't wait to see it when it's finished. But in the meantime, let's go inside. Lots of scaffolding and tarps and construction crews and lots of work being done. Let's go inside and check it out, shall we? Unlike some new restaurants you'll be seeing later in this video, Mortons the Steakhouse has been here at Caesars in Atlantic City for, it seems like, forever. They claim it's home to the best steak anywhere, setting the highest standards for a steakhouse fine dining. As soon as you walk into Caesars from the valet entrance, you're going to hit all this scaffolding and blocked off areas. And again, this is just the beginning of some of the construction going on here. You'll see lots more as we go along. But downstairs here, they're going to build a Starbucks, a really nice, large Starbucks from what I understand. Hold on tight, and don't forget your hard hat. Now come on, follow me. No worries, just keep one eye on the floor and one eye on the ceiling. Oh my goodness, where did Gordon Ramsay's pub go? This is crazy! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Caesars Atlantic City. You'll see screens on the left, tarps on the right, and scaffolding all around you. You know how they have those highway signs, your tax dollars at work? Perhaps Caesars here in Atlantic City should put up some your resort fees at work signs. Excuse me, can you point me to the tarp that's hiding the casino, please? So once you leave that front area behind you, there seems to be an area of good old Caesars here in Atlantic City until you get closer to the boardwalk and we'll find more construction, but that's coming, no worries. This is Taza Cafe. Flavor your day at Taza, the Caesars Atlantic City coffee bar located in the heart of the hotel lobby, in between the screens and the tarps and underneath the scaffolding. And as you can see, Gordon Ramsay's pub is still alive and kicking and doing very well, as a matter of fact, here at Caesars. That big tarp in the front, I don't know what's behind it, if they're redoing the front of the pub or if they're just shielding it with tarps from all the construction dust. I don't know, but I'm ashamed to say I have yet to eat at this pub. As many times as I'm in Atlantic City, there are so many restaurants I've yet to try. And I know a lot of you have been asking about Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen, which just opened. I shouldn't say just opened. It opened several months ago here at Caesars, but it's only open on weekends right now. So hopefully when the season kicks in, I will be able to check that place out and bring it to you guys. We'll get some shots of that restaurant later. Caesars obviously wants to get all this construction done during the slow time of the year, and business is going to be picking up because, well, the season's only a month or two away when things start picking up around here. Same thing goes for the New York channel. It's seasonal, believe it or not. After all, it is a travel channel, and it's a slow time of the year for the channel as well. Good news is the channel is about 3.5 years old, and every year it's getting better and better with regards to viewership, as far as views, subscribers, and advertisers, and things like that. And this winter was no exception. It was better than the winter before, which was better than the winter before that one. So that's good news. That being said, I've been doing some experimenting and brainstorming during this slow season, and just like Caesars is working on their buildings, I'm working on my channel. And what'd you think of that new intro, by the way? Let me know in the comments below. Right now I'm focusing on ideas for Atlantic City, and in a few weeks I'll be on that cruise in the Caribbean, and then right after that is another trip to Las Vegas. So lots of fresh content coming here to the New York channel. Rubber duckies are hugely popular and everywhere right now. Just ask, you know who. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hold on tight. Upstairs is where the all-you-can-eat Caesars buffet used to be. It hasn't been there for years. It's now a pizzeria that's open mostly on the weekends. We're approaching Nobu on the right-hand side. That's a new restaurant that opened just a couple months ago. And as you can see, there's still a lot of draped off areas right here on the casino floor. Still doing lots of renovations right up here in the front of the building. Nobu is a world-renowned Japanese restaurant recognized for pioneering a new style of Japanese cuisine. Guests may enjoy cocktails at the bar with sweeping ocean views, or watch the chefs craft their specialty dishes at the sushi bar. Nobu's signature dishes include black cod miso and rock shrimp tempura, as well as other unique dishes that offer a memorable dining experience. All of this work, by the way, is part of a $400 million investment Caesars is making to complete by the end of this year at its casino properties in the area, not just here at Caesars, but Harrah's Resort and Tropicana Atlantic City as well. Tropicana has several new restaurants, and I will be covering those shortly on a Tropicana review. And you can see all the work going on here at Caesars, so that $400 million is being put to work. And here we have Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. Gordon Ramsay brings Hell's Kitchen to the East Coast, making this his third restaurant in Atlantic City. We saw his other one right here at Caesars. It was Gordon Ramsay's Pub. And then there's a Gordon Ramsay Steakhouse at Harrah's on the marina side of town. Of course, I've been dying to eat here, but it's only open during the weekends off season, so I'm going to have to wait for the season to start because I'm very rarely in Atlantic City on a weekend. I did have a cocktail here at the bar. It was wonderful, but I just can't wait to sit down, have a meal, and bring it to you guys. This is a pedestrian walkway that leads to the playground, what used to be a pier full of restaurants and shops and activities. No longer, it's pretty much abandoned. I haven't done a video, I haven't actually even stepped foot in there in about 2 years. I just recently went in there to do another video. It will be coming to the channel shortly. Wait, did you see that? Well, now there's a man who refuses to go home a loser. He's wheeling his slot machine home with him. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. This area leads you to the elevators that take you up to the Centurion Tower. I just had a wonderful night there. It was a corner room with beautiful views of the ocean and boardwalk. That video has been uploaded about a week or two ago here on the New York channel if you want to check it out. And this area also leads you to the Wild Wild West. It's just an escalator ride down. However, due to more construction, heavy construction down there, the area is closed off. Now, if you want to get to the Wild Wild West, you can do that by either going outside right here or go back to the front or the back, whatever you want to call it, of the building where this video started. There's an escalator right off of the reception desk that'll bring you to the Wild Wild West as well. All the construction down there is due to them building a theater for a new show called The Hook, which opens this spring. It's from Spiegel Company, who has many shows, many notorious shows in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. I can't wait to see that show. We just came down the escalators to bring us to the lower level casino here at Caesars, and here we have Kwai, the Asian restaurant here at Caesars. I never knew how it was pronounced. It's spelled K-W-I. I used to call it Kui, but apparently I found out the actual name is pronounced Kwai. Just think of Y. The lower level casino here at Caesars contains the Asian room as well as a lot of slot machines. There are tables down here, not as many as upstairs. They're not as busy down here, but there are tables down here as well. And that Heidi Beer House slot machine that I seem to be pretty lucky on lately is located down here as well. And we just walked past the Toga Bar, pretty popular bar here at Caesars. Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New York channel, check out the new Facebook New York fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. And as you see, the lower level casino leads right to the boardwalk. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.